Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows Windows 10 update error code is 0x8007371c. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings of the Windows, go to your update and security and go to your troubleshooter. Go to your additional troubleshooters, click on a Windows update, click on a run the troubleshooters, and it's required of a few seconds to detecting the problems. If detect, resolve it automatically. Close it. The second method is that in the search box type a services, open a services, select a Windows update, open it and make sure that it's selected automatically. Click on select automatically and click on start button, apply and OK. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, run as administrator, type a command is netnet space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. Now type a command is netnet stop bits. Now type a command is net stop CRYPTSVC and press enter. Now type a command is run c space c dots / Windows / software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that type a command is run space c dot / Windows / system 32 / catroot 2 space catroot 2.old and press enter. After that exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Go to your Windows 10 download disk image, scroll down, click on a download tool now, save it. After that right click run as administrator, click on yes button to continue. Click on accept button. Click on next button and select upgrade this PC now and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing it, automatically your system is restarted, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.